I found another fan. I just did a video a couple weeks back of a ceiling fan. I purchased this home and they left all kinds of goodies behind. The other fan was pretty nice. This one looks pretty basic. Here's the mount to the ceiling. Motor unit, beauty ring, 4 blades. White is in, I'll use that side. 4 blades, 2 screws each, 2, 4, 6. I'm missing 1 screw. So I'll go to a local hardware store, probably a machine screw. Let's mount this up. Obviously this unit was disassembled, thrown in a box. So these will be the mounting screws to the box in the ceiling. Washer on there so it doesn't slip through. And then we got some hanging devices here. I'd like to show here, it's a little hard to show when you're on a ladder. And it looks like that goes right in there. That would allow it to hang on the ceiling just like that, so you can hook up the wires. I like that feature. It has these here that go through and get nuts. It just so happens we got them and they're locking style. The main takeaway of this video will be the electrical hookup. I'll go over the electrical here since it's visually easier to see than at the ceiling. The black is hot coming in, power coming into the unit, and the black in this unit feeds this blue wire which feeds the light. And then this is neutral. White wire to the white wire on the house wire. This would be attached to the black on the house wire. Really simple stuff. See, it says for light right there. However, if you don't want the light, you remove the blue wire, cap it, remove the bulb, and then get a beauty ring that fits on here just for show. And then you wouldn't need these. Speaking of these are really long. And that would be nice in a bedroom over top of a bed, which is exactly where it's going. And the green wire will go to the bare ground wire, house ground, goes to the electrical panel. I'll demonstrate how this goes on here so it'll be more clear. When we're at the ceiling, we'll draw the chains through here, and then this goes down, and then I'll give you a visual of the mount. Here's the visual. This will be against the box on the ceiling. And when you bring that up, there's a slot on each side. Then you got your screws already installed. And you go into the slot and turn it. Then you put a screw here, a fixed screw here, so it can never move and fall off. I've got the light switch in the off position. Double check for power. No power. These strippers are awesome. I just recently discovered you can strip the Romex sleeve off the main wire. Look at that. That is amazing. So we'll keep going. That's very nice. You want a good amount of single wires. It's easy to wrap them back up here. Now we'll strip these. You want it about that length. That's a little long, we'll snip that. You don't want any bare wire showing after the wire nut is installed. Nice. When they built this house, they installed a metal box, which is excellent for hanging a ceiling fan, heavy objects. And we want to focus on this ground wire next. I wrapped around the ground lug here, that grounds the box, and then it leaves a tail for the fan unit ground. Now the ceiling bracket, right up through the center, line up with the threaded holes. The other mount in the box is so you can put the bolt straight through with a locking nut on the other side. Ready to hang the fan? Now we'll do the wire hookup. I'll go over the wiring and then show it to you hooked up. So you got the black and blue coming from the fan unit. That goes to the black house wire. That's power coming in from your breaker panel. Your white goes to white, which they call neutral. And then the green wire gets hooked to the ground coming out of the box. Here it is all connected, white to white, black, black and blue tied together, and then the green to the ground. And you can use a medium-sized wire nut. Orange is pretty popular. Now we're going to tuck these all up here into this hole, one at a time. And then we'll put the beauty ring on. There's also a good amount of room here when you put this up, and you want to line up these studs and these studs. And then you put on 2 locking nuts on both sides. Then the beauty ring, line up with the slots, turn it, then put 2 stationary screws in. Now we'll do the fan blades. Do the same to the rest. Nice! Pretty smooth. Oh, that feels good. It just dawned on me. This fan didn't have a globe, so I found this thing on my supply trailer. It's not the best looking, but it'll work. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. If you'd like to see the other fan installation, I'll provide a link.